Fashion. Fashion. Fashion saves. Fashion saves. Whether you thrift or wear custom made, whether you're bad or well behaved, fashion saves. Living fast and on the edge, goody two shoes, moms and maids, fashion saves. You work the streets or work the clubs, 9 to 5 or got no job, daughters, sons and in between, fashion saves and fashion bleeds. Fashion, not a want but a need, all emotion, fashion grieves, fact or fiction, all in line. Fashion never wastes your time.